Installing the 3MRO401 reverse osmosis drinking water filtration system is easy. First, drill a hole in the countertop if necessary, or use an existing hole and install the dedicated faucet. Consult installation manual for detailed instructions. Turn off the cold water line using the cold water supply valve located beneath the sink. Then, turn on the faucet to release the water pressure. Locate the cold water faucet stem at the base of the main cold water faucet. Unscrew the cold water feed tube from the faucet stem. Install the adapter fitting to the water line, connecting the faucet stem and cold water feed tube. Insert one end of the provided orange tubing into the 1/4 inch fitting and push as far as it will go until it hits a backstop. Apply PTFE tape to the threaded tank connection and install the valve on top of tank. Do not over-tighten. Open the tank valve and place the tank under the cabinet. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, make a hole in the drain line and install the drain saddle assembly while aligning the holes. Install the elbow fitting to the drain assembly and connect the black tube from the dedicated faucet to the elbow fitting. Use a pen to mark the screw locations and then insert the screws to mount the system on the cabinet wall, leaving space for the storage tank. To install the included filters, align the circular symbols on the filter and the manifold heads. Insert the filters into the heads while lining up the ears and twist the filters a 1/4 turn to the right. On the membrane cartridge, push the collet to remove the white plug from the drain fitting. Insert the red SFC tubing to the drain fitting. Insert the other end of the orange tubing into the feed connection, labeled on the filtration system. Connect the white tube from the dedicated faucet to the blue tube, using the provided union connector. The other end of the blue tube should be connected to the faucet connection on the system. Connect the green tube from the dedicated faucet to the red SFC tubing using the union connector. Insert one end of the yellow tubing to the tank connection on the filtration system and insert the other end of the valve on top of the storage tank. Replace the cover. Turn on the water and check for leaks. Note, flush the system according to the manual, and then it will be ready for use.